Hello, SDA manages the factory source code. Source code has the understanding of what a factory does, and it also has the history, basically how a factory gets better over time or how a production process gets better over time. There is a second source of data, which is telemetry, which is sensors, which is all types of data that a PLC uh, sends multiple times per second. Wouldn't it be great to have everything in one place? The source code and the live data. That's what we announced today. SDA has now, for interested customers, at a private preview telemetry of PLCs natively in our application. Check it out.
If you click on telemetry, you're gonna see, yeah, this is the new feature, the live values coming from tags from PLC. On this left side you see the tag list, so you can switch between tags. Each one is an individual tag. You can also group tags, like in this case I have 3 tags grouped together. On the right side you're gonna see I have the live value selected, so this means that data is coming live from the PLC tag. You can also see history values by clicking on those buttons, and if you click on live, you are back to live values coming from the PLC.